I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your account with Standard Chartered, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have all necessary information handy. This includes your account number, identification documents, and any outstanding transactions. Step 2. Visit the official website. Go to the Standard Chartered website and navigate to the customer service section. Look for the account closure information, which will guide you through the process. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to customer support via phone or chat. Explain that you wish to close your account and ask for any specific requirements or forms needed. Step 4. Complete required forms. Fill out any forms provided by customer support. Make sure to double-check your details to avoid any delays. Sometimes, you might need to confirm your identity through a security question. Step 5. Confirm account closure. Once you've submitted everything, wait for confirmation from the bank. This may take a few days, so keep an eye on your email or messages for updates. Closing your account can be straightforward if you follow these steps. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Good luck!